Choosing the right CNC cutting machine can be overwhelming. Weak cutting power, limited workspace, complex setup, and poor precision often lead to frustration. That's where modern CNC machines stand out. They deliver accurate cutting, smooth engraving, and versatile material support for both beginners and professionals. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best CNC cutting machines you can buy right now. Reliable, powerful, and perfect for DIY projects, workshops, or small businesses. We researched specs and real user feedback to build this list. Check the description for updated prices and links. Number 5. Atomstack A20 Pro V2 Portable Laser Engraver. The Atomstack A20 Pro V2 is a powerful yet portable CNC laser engraver designed for DIY creators. With strong laser output, it easily cuts and engraves wood, leather, acrylic, and even coated metals with high precision. Bluetooth connectivity allows wireless control, making operation more flexible and convenient. Its compact frame is perfect for small workspaces, while the sturdy build ensures stable performance. Ideal for crafting logos, custom tags, and artistic designs, this machine offers excellent performance for hobbyists and beginners alike. Number 4. RDDSPON Laser Engraver CNC Machine. The RDDSPON laser engraver delivers reliable CNC performance with 2.5 watt to 7 watt optical power options. It features a 300 by 300 millimeter working area, providing enough space for medium-sized projects. This machine supports wood, plastic, leather, and more, making it highly versatile for DIY tasks. Its simple assembly and user-friendly controls make it beginner-friendly, while the stable frame ensures consistent engraving results. Whether you're creating custom crafts or small business products, this CNC machine offers a solid balance of power and affordability. Number 3. ELIDOR Z6 6W Laser Engraver CNC Machine. The ELIDOR Z6 stands out with its 6W laser power and precise engraving capabilities. It offers a 300 by 300 millimeter working area and supports a wide range of materials, including wood, acrylic, plywood, and glass. Designed for both cutting and engraving, it delivers clean edges and detailed results. The sturdy CNC frame reduces vibration, ensuring accuracy in every project. With easy setup and reliable performance, it's perfect for DIY enthusiasts, small businesses, and anyone looking for a dependable engraving solution. Number 2. Algolaser DIY CNC Laser Cutter Engraver. The Algolaser DIY CNC machine combines advanced features with ease of use. It includes a 3.5-inch touchscreen for direct control along with Wi-Fi connectivity for remote operation. The large 40 by 43 centimeter working area allows for bigger projects, while its powerful laser handles wood, metal, and other materials efficiently. Its solid construction ensures precision and durability. Ideal for both beginners and experienced users, this machine is perfect for detailed engraving, creative projects, and professional quality results at home or in a workshop. Number 1. TWOTREES TTC450 Pro CNC Router Machine. The TWOTREES TTC450 Pro is the most powerful CNC machine on this list, offering 4-axis functionality for advanced cutting and engraving tasks. It handles wood, metal, and other tough materials with ease, making it suitable for serious DIYers and professionals. Its large working area and robust frame provide stability and precision even during complex operations. This machine also supports laser engraving, adding extra versatility. If you need a high-performance CNC router for demanding projects, this is the ultimate choice. If you want precision, power, and versatility, CNC cutting machines are a great investment. These 5 models offer excellent performance for DIY projects, creative work, and small businesses. From beginners to professionals, there's a perfect option here. Which one would you choose? Let me know below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.